demonstrate the answer of quiz 2 on chapter 1. Okay, so for the first one, we will apply the cross method. So the first one is x times x, and the factor of 3 is positive 3 and positive 1. Okay, you cross it, you get positive 4x, so which is match our second terms. So therefore, the answer will be x plus 3 and x plus 1. And how can we Mr. Wong check the answer? Should be, this is the technique of checking the answer. 3 times 1 is equal to positive 3, and then the second item is for positive 1 times x, and then positive 3 times x, which add together, which is equal to positive 1x plus 3x. Okay, the answer is positive 4x, which match our second terms. Okay, so for second question is first one, n squared, which is n times n, and positive 7. I will think about the factor pair of negative factor pair, because the second term is negative 8, so it should be negative 7 and negative 1. And after you have cross multiplication, cross method, you will get negative 8n. So the answer is n minus 7 and n minus 1. For the third one, so it should be y times y, and in this time, because this is negative 6, remember it should be positive 3 negative 2 is, or negative 3 positive 2. Okay, let's check which pair is our correct factor pair. So after cross multiplication, that means positive 3 minus 2 is positive y, so it does not match. Okay, and how about second one is negative y, so therefore this one is match our second term. Okay, so the answer will be, remember to write down the answer horizontally, so it should be y minus 3 and then y plus 2. Okay, the answer will be y minus 3 times y plus 2. Okay, for this question you can check the answer. First of all, negative 3 times negative 2, just expand it. Okay, so it will become negative 6, so correct the first term. And the second term is negative 3 times negative y, that means negative 3y, and positive 2 times y with positive 2y, and you get this negative y. So you match another one, so this answer is correct. So for the third one, okay, is easy. B times 4 and 5, okay, positive, so you will get 9b. So the answer is b plus 4 and b plus 5. Okay, for question 5 and so on, so the answer should be negative 3 and negative 4, and the answer should be negative 7a, so correct pair, so a minus 3 and a minus 4. So the final, and this one is m times m, because it's negative 24, so the factor pair should be 1 positive and 1 negative, and we have two pair, maybe positive 12 times negative 2, or negative 12 times positive 2. You can try these two pairs. So the first one, the first pair should be positive 10. Oh no, sorry, it's not 12 and 2. It should, because the difference is too large. Therefore, we can try and the pair, the distance between these two pairs is more, because it's negative 2 in second term. So therefore, it should be positive 6, negative 4, and negative 6, positive 4. Okay, because the difference between these two numbers is 4. So the first one is positive 2m, right? The second one is negative 2m. So the second one is the correct pair, and therefore we can write down m minus 6 and m plus 4. So the question number 7, it should be, okay, first of all, we need to rearrange the order, okay, or not, up to you. So the first one is p, and then should be negative 5 times positive 3, and you will get negative 2p. So it is correct pair, so it's p minus 5 and p plus 3. Okay, so this one for question number 8. So remember, the first pair is p times p, and the second one should be become negative 6q. Don't forget to write down the letter q, and then plus q. So after that, we can have a pair is called negative 5pq. So the answer, remember, write down in horizontally. So it should be p minus 6q times p plus q. Okay, so for number 9, so h times 4k and 5k. Okay, so we get 9hk. So therefore the answer is h plus 4k and h plus 5k. For the last question, for question number 10, so factorize. The first one is easy. So it should be x times x and then positive 4 and negative 2, so that you can make a second term is positive 2x. So the answer is x squared plus 2x minus 8, which is equal to x plus 4 and x minus 2. So we finish the first one and second one. So we just compare. Hence, okay, because we need to if you see this word, that means you need to compare the format of the part A. So let's just let x be p plus 1, right? So we can write down like this: by A, let x equal to p plus 1. So the bracket p plus 1 square plus 2 times p plus 1 minus 8 equal to, okay, just substitute x equal to p plus 1, and then don't forget to write down plus 4 and p plus 1 minus 2. And some students will stop here and leave the answer, but remember, you need to add together of 1 and 4, so that means p plus 5 and p minus 1. Okay, so that's the end of the solution of quiz 2. Thank you.